Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see a question asked in GATE 2024. In this given circuit, current Ix value in milliampere has been asked. So this Ix value has been asked in this question. Let us see how can we solve it. Let us assume this is node 1 and this is node 2 and this node is grounded. Between these two nodes only a voltage source is connected. So these two nodes will form a super node. So here we can see node 1 and node 2 will act as a super node. So during application of KCL, we can ignore this voltage source. As we can see here that KCL can be written as the current coming towards this node, that is -5. Since this current is coming towards node, so it is negative sign -5, plus current in this branch will be equal to V1 by 1, that is the 1 kilo ohm resistance, plus current in this branch will be equal to V2 by 1. We have ignored this voltage source, plus current in this branch will be equal to V2 by 1 equal to 0. So here equation can be find out -5 plus V1 plus 2V2 equal to 0. If we see at node 2, then we can see that current in this branch is 2 milliampere, and current also can be written as V2 up by 1. So V2 by 1 milliampere will be equal to 2 milliampere, as the current is flowing 2 milliampere in this branch. So V2 value can be calculated as 2 volt. Now we will put this 2 volt in this equation. Then V2 is written as 2 volt here. So V1 can be calculated as 1 volt. As here we can see that Ix can be written as V2 by 1 kilo ohm. So here Ix will be equal to V2 by 1, and we have calculated V2 is equal to 2 volt. So 2 by 1 is equal to 2 milliampere. So this 2 milliampere is our answer.